Damn. I wrote it and said it multiple times. I really don't like wipe coding to do real stuff. But wipe coding has its place in prototyping and things like this. And what you see on screen here now, I just basically generated from this one. So this was my initial little wireframey thing with quite a long prompt, which is just dictated through the microphone. And I created the whole application here using V0 within less than 30 minutes. I can show you the prototype. So this is basically exactly what I had in mind. So we have our project radar here. So just as a reminder, the idea is that you just can plug in a plain text description of any potential project opportunity for a freelancer, or can also be for a long-term contract or whatever. And the AI in the background will then extract basic information and put this in a structure. And then, that's not now, it's my wife calling. And then we will have this Kanban-like thing. So as you can see, this is all mocked here. So it also mocks, so you can put in anything here. And it also tries to extract project information. So you see, this is not mocked. It is mocked. It's not really a database or an AI in the background, but it created this one. So we have sorting mechanisms here, and you can sort up and down. You have a full text filter, so like this, and you can also, for example, what do we have? Munich. So you can filter by all manner of information here. You have the project description here. You have full keyboard control over this, so you can basically jump between projects using that. You see here, there's a bug. If this has a focus, then the keyboard works for both. But technically, you can jump between projects. You can, with Enter, you can go into edit mode. With Control Enter, you can save it, and Escape, you can close it again. So full keyboard control. Again, this was basically one shot with one prompt. Then let's look at these features. So this is basically my on the left hand side, my main sorting mechanism. So it's also provided the mock data here, so that's also one shot at. This is my main thing. So the idea is to have a crawler scan for potential projects, then evaluate this and verify against your profile, which is in the background, and give you some verification. Then you have these potential new projects in the inbox, and then you can just move them to the backlog. Oh, I never tested this. This is also working. So now we have this in the backlog, and now here our machine learning engineer is in the backlog. And from here else you can start it, which will then send it to the active tab. Now it's here. And what's interesting, this is the one thing, and now you can switch here to the Kanban view, and look at this. You have now these nice little Kanban visualizations, and you can basically drag and drop them. Look at this, how nice this is implemented. You can drag and drop them around here. Also, the API is also already mocked, and since we are using CQRS, I prompted it to create commands. So this will be something like a change state command or something, and it will then be processed in the background, and you need to have the query. So also this is also working. So super sweet. I see we have a missing scroll bar here. So I do not see everything here. So there's something to do. Look, including, so this is so cool. We have a dark mode, obviously, so we can switch everything to dark mode. And yes, I think this is basically it. So you can add new projects, you can drag and drop your projects, and we have a fully, this is the code here, we have a fully mocked backend. I only had a little look at this. So these are the mocked projects here. This is the JSON which is coming in. And we have our mock AI extraction, where it just tries to this I wanted to show you also. So if I now edit this one, we can add tags here. So like lol. So, and this is really added. So now it's +4, it's not visible, but this is also working. Again, you can drag and drop it. And I just wanted to see if I find, where is this? Data, hooks, lib, project, date utils, mock AI, project utils, theme provider, project TS. I'm not exactly sure, but I remember having seen something potentially in the UI itself where it kind of simulates the CQRS pattern also. So again, this, I personally think this is such a cool prototype. Again, less than 30 minutes. And the only input I gave it was this, plus some narrative of what I want to achieve. This is working code, working prototype. I can take this and just implement my backend and it will work immediately. We have caching, we have an endless scroller, we have pagination if we want to have this in this view. This is all ready to go. And yeah, this was the next step. Unfortunately, my recording did not work, but I have my manic time, which actually will give me the exact timestamps of how long this took, and I will need to use these screenshots, which are taken every 10 seconds, as a replacement for the missing half an hour video recording. I just forgot to, and I not forgot, but the recording didn't start and I didn't notice. So I have to provide this to have the full recording of the full creation of this project. So this I wanted to show you. This is a very cool thing. And now I need to upload this to YouTube and then we can go to the backend. By the way, I only had a little 1 hour time. So I wanted to do the prototyping first and the backend, I will continue with the backend implementation and the scaffolding in the next step.